Benefit estimates are a valuable tool to assist you with your retirement planning decisions. This video will take you through step-by-step instructions in calculating an estimate of your service retirement benefit. The Service Retirement Calculator calculates an estimate of your benefit according to the Service Retirement Formula, based on your age, years of service, and final compensation. This is the calculator to use if you intend to work at your SFRS employer until you retire. To begin your estimate, log into the MySFRS member portal. From your dashboard, select the Benefits Calculator tab located in the top menu bar. Select the Service Retirement Calculator. Fill in each field as indicated. Select the membership benefit you wish to model in the drop-down menu. Most members belong to and will have the option to select only one membership group. Select your date of retirement. This is your first day of retirement, the day after your last day of work. Click on a year, then a month, then a day in the drop-down calendar. Type in your usual hours worked in a year. This will depend on whether you are a part-time or a full-time employee. A typical full-time employee works 2,080 hours in a year. Type in your estimated average final compensation. Your current estimated average final compensation is provided below the field. This amount is based on your current monthly pay. We have populated your age and credited service for you, according to our records. You will see that these fields adjust as you model different benefit scenarios. Click the Calculate My Benefits button to get an estimate of your service benefit. You may need to scroll down to see the answer. You can now model as many estimates as you'd like. Just click Reset to begin a new estimate. Make sure to use the benefits calculators often. Calculating an estimate of your benefit will help you keep your retirement planning goals in focus. And while you're here, visit the Resource Center to access information relevant to your plan and the retirement process, including videos, forms, your summary of plan provisions, a schedule of retirement webinars, and FAQs. And be sure to follow us for all of the latest announcements. We are always here to serve your retirement needs. If you are not able to find what you need on the SFRS website, contact us by email or phone. Our member services team is available to assist you. Working today for a secure tomorrow. Discover the benefits of SFRS.